Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right to the video. Okay guys, this no glue slime recipe is so easy to make. Also, I hope you guys like my nails today. They are press-on ones, so I'm so sorry if they don't look that good, but I thought they would be cool for the video. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe is, of course, hand sanitizer. You can use any type. I do recommend Bath & Body Works, so just because this works the best for me. You guys will then need any type of hand soap. I'm using the soft soap. You guys will need a bowl or plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and last but not least, but optional, is food coloring. I like to use food coloring for these slime recipes just so I can make it any type of color I want. Okay guys, so I'm first going to start out by putting my soap into my bowl or plate. Let me get this closer to show you guys. The more soap you have is how much slime you will make. Looks like just enough soap. And now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add the food coloring into here. I'm just using blue food coloring because I want it to be blue just like how the thumbnail was. 1 dot looks like just enough. And now I'm going to get mixing it up. I'm going to mix it for about a minute or so. Okay, after mixing, guys, now what I'm going to do is, this is the important part. You're going to get your hand sanitizer out, and this is going to act as the activator. I'm going to only add about a drop or two into there, and then I'm going to get mixing this up. I'm going to mix it for about 2 minutes to 3 minutes and add some more soap as I'm going. Okay guys, that looks like just enough mixing. Wow, I can't speak today. And what that did was the hand sanitizer acted as the activator for this slime recipe. Now I'm going to put my airtight container lid on here, just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator, the fridge, not the freezer. The freezer will freeze this all the way. But I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay guys, about 2 to 3 hours later, I did add way more soft soap into here now, and here is the slime. Also, don't mind the food coloring. This was from the beginning of the video. I got it on my hands while making the thumbnail, but wow. Let me get this out of here to show you guys. Oh my god, this smells so good. Look at the slime it made. It's very sticky though, as you can tell it's getting all over me. This made awesome no glue slime. I can't get over the smell. It smells so good. I'm so happy I used that type of hand sanitizer for this. I really do recommend the Bath & Body Works one. And you can also tell that the gel beads inside of the hand sanitizer does melt with the soap. So that's kind of how it makes like a really nice gel-like slime texture. But this turned out amazing. It was a huge win-win for me. And I really hope you guys try out this recipe today. It worked so great for me. I cannot get over this. Yeah, but this is how you make no glue hand sanitizer slime. I really hope you guys liked this video today. It is so easy to make. Remember to try use the soft soap one, and of course use Bath & Body Works. I think Bath & Body Works works best for me. But this turned out so great. I can't get over the texture on this. But this is how you make no glue hand sanitizer slime. I really hope you guys liked this video today. If you like videos like this, remember to check out all my recent YouTube videos I've been posting. And again, check out all my YouTube shorts. I try to post YouTube shorts at least every day. If not, then I post it a few times a week. But I love you guys so much. Remember guys, to check out all my social media. They'll be linked down below. My Roblox, my Instagram, my TikTok will be linked all down below. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!